And we're back, and we're gonna keep this mission going. Alright, take a quick look over here. Alright. Whoa!
Everyone all right?
Shepard! You in one piece?
Looks like we're all okay. Keep in radio contact.
On our way!
Alright, here we go. Anything over here? Yeah, explore the tunnels, I get that, but we gotta look at the crates because they might be loot. They're not, but whatever. It's worth a look. Now.
What's that? I see it. Grunt, got a body of a scout here. Been dead a few days.
Yeah, if he has his weapon, grab it. You won't need it anymore.
Alright. Okay. Okay, what the hell is that?
Whoa. Is that webbing?
Looks like it.
Alright. Back to my gun. Okay. Apparently not. Alright.
Stay close, it's easy to get separated. Agreed. Everybody be ready.
Alright, so apparently I'm using this gun. I don't want to, but apparently I have to.
Did anyone see that?
Yep.
Don't worry, I got you covered.
Alright, well that didn't unlock anything.
What are those?
I don't know.
I'm burning them though.
Shepard,
They explode? Really?
Okay. Alright. Yeah, I don't want to... Okay, I'm looking around. Is that... yeah. Alright, is there anything over there? Looks like there is. Is there anything over here? No. Alright, we're going this way. Making sure there's nothing that can come up behind me. Okay, no, we're going over here, I guess. Yeah, okay, we go up this way. Alright, we got that wall.
On the ground, Commander. Reaper tech?
maybe.
Alright. That looks Reaperish. Alright, we're gonna go check that. Okay, there's another one. Okay, we just picked up a full one. I see. Alright. There we go. So we just found 2 dead scouts, so this is this is more recovery than rescue. Alright, this looks like it's about to get in. We're about to get into it. Yep, here we go.
We got company!
Light it up, Shepard.
Alright.
Along the far wall, Shepard. It's that Rachni. Good eye.
Alright. 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 Okay, I got the wrong gun out. Let's go ahead and give him one of these, my freshly made turret. Okay. Okay, what,
Those Rachni are just not right.
Grunt, Rachni presence confirmed. Modified and very dangerous.
alright.
Finally, something to kill. Nothing here yet. Lost a Krogan to a sinkhole.
Yeah.
Bad way to go.
Yeah, it is.
We should find the nest in these tunnels then. These Reaper troops are here to keep us out.
Yeah, for a warrior race, falling down a hole is not an honorable death. You know what I mean? Alright. Yeah, you guys are warriors. I don't want to see you guys go out like that. Is that more fuel? I'll hold on to this one for now. But, well, I mean, I'm gonna use this one for now, and then we'll figure it out. Use the heck out of this one. Alright. Alright, now. That should be enough that I can go get the next one. Go get the last one. Alright, we'll go this way. Now, I think we're going up here. Pretty sure we're going this way. Alright. Nope. Alright. And what else we got? Oh,
We're blocked, Shepard.
Copy that.
How are we getting through this?
is that where we're going? So we're gonna go.
What is that?
Okay, we'll get his. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with that, but. Okay, it's a barrier. Now, I had, okay, I have to do this. I have to deal with this thing.
It was some kind of lock.
Alright. Okay.
Everyone okay?
Looks like we're finding another way out of here. Come on!
What was
Okay.
that noise, Shepard? Sounded bad.
Cave in. We're all right.
Good. Didn't want to dig you out.
Yeah, well,
That hurts my feelings, Grunt.
Yeah.
alright. What do we got over here? Alright, we got some more over here. Now, the thing is, I thought I saw another way to go over here. That's the way we came. I thought there was a way up over here. Yeah, it is. It's a different way to go. Oh. Alright.
Shepard, I know what happened to the scouts.
What'd you find?
They got hit hard. The leader ordered them to carry weapons deep into the caves. He knew the next team would need help.
Oh,
They
wow.
died making sure we could make it to the central chamber. Come on.
Alright. Here we go. Oh, we gotta kill those.
Shepard,
Yeah, I'm getting all of these. Alright, oh, is that another one?
Looks like a last message. He's asked that it be delivered to an Asari named Ereba on the Citadel.
Anything? Alright, so we're gonna look in here. We're gonna do that in a minute, but we're gonna do this first. Okay. I'm out. Does anybody have incinerate? Carnage. Alright, I need another flamethrower. Damn it. And I don't know if there's another flamethrower back here. Yeah, I need another flamethrower, and I don't know if there's another flamethrower back here. Now, I don't know if my regular gun will do anything to these. Oh, it will. Okay. Alright, we're good. We'll be taking care of these now. We're good. So we can just shoot our way through these. Excellent. So we're gonna do this. And let's get this one. I want everything down. I don't want any of this to survive. Alright, everything they built has to fall. Oh. Alright. And we're going this way.
Kills on ahead.
Expect trouble.
Alright, well, if we're expecting trouble, you know what that means. Let's do it. Come on, ladies and gents. Lady and gents. Here we go. Alright. And we're going. Alright. Alright. Whoa. They're behind us? Alright. Here we go. Let's give him a turret. Alright. 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 Let's give him one of these. I took a big hit there. Oh, he's alive. Alright. Okay. We're gonna go with a different gun. Okay. Cool. Let's move on. Let's reload. And let's go with the other gun. Okay, what do we got over here? And down.
Stay low. Don't let it get a beat on you.
Okay. Alright, let's give him a turret. Alright. Alright. What's the next one?
We must be getting close, Shepard. Some enemy fighting. Tough bastards.
Alright, what do we got over
Casualties?
here?
It's fine. Krogan fight better angry.
Alright, am I going up here or no? Doesn't look like it. Okay. So we're going the way we fought. Alright. No, these guys gotta go. Nope. Pistol. Alright. We're good here. We got something over there. Alright. Okay. Oh, we're gonna take those out with the pistol. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Ooh, we got more. Alright. 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 Little baby racks. Okay, we'll reload. Oh, did I just jump on one? That's cool. Okay, ooh, whoa. Alright, is there anyone down here? Okay, I don't need to go that way, I don't believe. Alright, fine. Moving right along. Oh, here we go. Alright. Ooh, we'll take those out while we're over here. And what else? Okay, little rats. All right, got them. Okay, no, there's more. And okay, we'll get them when we get closer.
More of those little bastards!
Yeah, well, we'll get them.
The Rachni thrive on toxic planets. Strange to find them in a breathable atmosphere.
These don't look like regular Rachni.
No, they don't.
The Reapers must have changed them.
Yeah, I don't really need the flamethrower weapon. It's cool, but I don't really need it. It's actually really good against... Really good against charging husks, though.
I think they're bringing an army of those things down here. It all adds up. They reproduce crazy fast, and out here, nobody will know until it's too late.
What do we got?
I agree. And they're throwing everything they've got at us so we don't reach the nest.
Alright. Well, let's reach the nest then. And what do we got over here? Oh. Alright, what do we got up here? Looks like we're good. Oh, before we do that, all right. Any little ones? Yeah. All right, cool. Looks like we're going across here. And down here. Okay. There's the team. There's Erdnot and his boys.
Blocked and getting overrun.
All right.
Hang on, Grunt. I'm on it.
Move it, Shepard.
All right. All right.
There's the power node. Come on.
Where's the power node? Is it this? Yeah, this is it. Yeah, those aren't.
Thanks, Shepard. That wasn't webbing stopping us. That was Reaper tech.
We ran into it too.
The Rachni have backed off for now, but they can smell our wounds. Any worthy enemy would regroup and finish us. Soon.
We're close, Grunt. Those barriers were protecting whatever's down that passage.
We'll dig in here, kill anything that moves. Buy you some time.
Good luck.
I don't need luck. I have ammo.
Yeah, got that right.
Krogan, get ready!
All right. Okay. Now we're going. I'm assuming we're headed this way towards the enemies, so we'll be going. All right. And we're good. We're moving forward. We're gonna take these out. All right.
More eggs. Take it slow.
All right. All right. What do we got here? This way? Ooh. No. No, 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 no. Absolutely not. Oh, here we go. Boss arena.
What is that?
Yeah.
Grunt, we've located the central chamber.
Good. We got your back, Shepard.
Move it! Damn it!
Okay, well, we're gonna go. Do we have to fight our way to the switch? Okay, no. Oh, there's the switch. Okay. All right, here we go.
People.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. Let's give him something to worry about right here. Cover that flank. All right. And cover this flank with one of those. Alright. Okay, now. Now we're doing this. Alright. Alright. Alright.
Shepard, over here.
Over where? What do you got? What do you got, Liara? Okay, oh, that's like acid. I'm not doing that. Let's do this. Alright. Do I have anything to scan? I have... Yes, I do. I didn't really want that, but whatever. Alright, what do I got
Gotta
here?
get past these barriers. There must be more power nodes on the other side.
Is that the way I'm supposed to go? Yep. Alright. Okay, he's moving that way. Is that the way I came? I'm going that way. So... Alright. Alright, here we go. We're gonna cover our asses with a mobile. Alright. And we're gonna cover our asses with a non-mobile. Alright. Alright. Now, I think we're headed this way, but we're gonna figure that out. Because this is where the wall drops. Yeah, here we go.
Stay focused.
No. I want to go here. Alright. Alright. Now, I want my regular gun. I want a regular gun. Alright, let's give him a turret. Alright, let's heal. And let's do one of these. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, and I'm in the middle of a fight. What am I shooting? I don't even know where my people are fighting at. Oh. Okay. Alright. Where's everybody? Alright. So everybody's formed up. Okay, so that's going to be the end of this episode, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.